that this committee is not above the law. No one in government is above the law. We are a government of laws. I am protected under the SOTO law. I have the constitutional right. I requested per record that I may be given competent advice and assistance of a legal counsel, and such right is guaranteed by the Constitution. And such right is also stipulated clearly in Section 12 of the Governing House Rules pertaining to committee hearing and conduct of investigation. And even if I am not in a court trial, the right to seek out counsel advice and assistance from a counsel is a part of principle of due process, a principle guaranteed by the Constitution. And I believe before I answer any further question, may I manifest respectfully and humbly before this committee that all the statements, even after under oath, in the absence of competent legal advice and assistance previously, may be granted to be stricken off the record because I believe my constitutional rights were violated.
Point of order.
Yes, Honorable.
The answer manifestation of Mr. Cedars is out of order. He is out of order because you cannot dictate in this house and you cannot move. Only members that you ask members of this house.
Yes, I am explaining.
No,
I am not moving.
No, your manifestation is out of order.
I am requesting.
Do not lecture us.
No, I am not lecturing. I am standing up for my right. I am standing up for my right.
Remember, we might cite you contempt.
Then so be it. Your Honor.
You challenge us?
Yes.
Okay.
If that will be seen in the nation na walang karapatan ang mga invited guests dito na magpahayag, Your Honor, with due respect to you, I do not believe na ang kongresong ito ay lalabag sa karapatan ng mga mamayan.
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
So be it, Your Honor.
It's out of order. And what's the position of the chair?
I will need, Mr. Chairman, I will not give up my right to free speech and be respected under the Constitution because this August chamber is obligated by law.
Dali na po. You cannot. You're not allowed. I'm going, yes.
I just like to explain why I cite him out of order. Because he manifested that the previous records should be taken out of records. And as resource person, they are not allowed. For
Your Honor, I am going to be detained in this chamber and I am submitting myself before the country in protest. My constitutional rights are violated in this committee. I'm sorry to say, let me be detained in this chamber and decided in contempt. I will not participate if my constitutional right will not be guaranteed. You are not here to decide for my constitutional right.
Let me finish.
There's a point of order, the Honorable Fernandez.
What I'm saying, I am not telling you to stop. What I'm saying is, by out of order, sandali, makinig ka. My out of order is all about your manifestation to straighten out. Patapusin mo ako.
Yes, sir.
Huwag ka may bastos.
Hindi ako bastos, nagpapaliwanag
Patapusin mo
ako.
ako. Mr. Chairman, I would just like to correct. I am not stopping him to issue statement. What I'm saying is, and what I'm pointing out of order is the manifestation that the previous statement and the previous record should be taken out of order. And under the rules, he's not allowed to do it.
Yes.
Maybe. Ngayon, perhaps naman, move to cite you in contempt, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
If I may, honorable members, I will just allow the chair first to make a clarification on the motion of Congressman Paduano. Congressman Paduano, is that a motion?
Yes. That's the motion. I move to
Mr. Chair.
cite in contempt. Sandali lang po, Co-Chair. Abante, give me the time because this is my time.
Okay. We will...
I move to cite in contempt Ms. Garma for lying and evading questions being asked by the members of this committee and including this representation. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is...
Mr. Chair.
There is
Mr. Chair.
Okay, before I rule...
Before that,
okay, is that
sandali lang.
an amendment to the motion?
No, no. Yes. Perhaps please listen to my questions first before we act on the motion of my co-chair who is angry now.
Itatakal natin. Tapos ngayon, nakapag-rule ka na without asking the body. I think that is whimsical and arbitrary, Mr. Chair.
No, Chairman, ako, hindi
Yes,
po.
I still have the floor, I
Sige,
think.
go ahead. Oh.
There is such a thing as out of order. If it is not included in the agenda, even in the floor, and if you tackle that, you are out of order.
Mr. Chair, Congressman Akop, we will not be tackling that resolution right now. That's the reason why I'm
Hindi
asking...
ko naman sinasabi.
no.
Sandali lang.
No,
Patapusin
wait.
mo kasi
Order.
ako I still have the floor.
No, I'm trying to get your time because I am the chairman. What I wanted to
Sige,
explain...
if that is what you want, sige.
Mr. Chairman, what I'm trying to point out is that a while ago, Congresswoman Matibag was implying through her manifestation that he wanted to include her privilege speech on the discussion of the resolution. But I tried to put it under the floor by having the body to act on it. But we will not be discussing the merit of the privilege speech right now. What I'm trying to say with the indulgence of Congressman Akop is that the approval of the body that we will be including her privilege speech on the next hearing.
No, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po.
Pa-recognize ka muna.
Chairman.
Before
can I be
before I recognize you, Congressman Paduano, may I be allowed to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Ruel Peter Gonzaga? Now you are recognized.
Oh, thank you, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. Sinabi ko, I have already established, if that privilege speech was referred to this committee, pasok dun sa 5-day rule natin, 5 calendar day rule, pwede talaga. Somebody has to move, naipasok mo, then we'll vote if we have a quorum. Di ba? That's why, Mr. Chairman,
No.
your ruling should be right after that motion. If ever members
No,
will...
I haven't ruled yet. What I'm trying to
Anyway,
tell is for her to have a motion.
And then
Ang sabi ko kanina,
that's only my point.
Wait. What I said was because manifestation yon, now I'm trying to tell to change it to a motion. Hindi po ako nag-rule, Congressman Paduano. What I'm trying to tell is to change the manifestation to a motion.
Pasok ba, Comsec?
Pasok. Oh, so a motion, please.
Mr. Chair, I may move to be included in the hearing of the resolution
Respect the chairman, please.
directing the appropriate House Committee to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation.
Wait for a while. What I wanted is that we respect each other. You have your own committees, and I'm following the rules of this Congress, and it's also right that we debate on something, but when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please. We are all co-equal. Go ahead, Congresswoman Matib.
A barrage of questions. That's why I'm asking. Bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition well kept by this House?
Respect tradition.
Hindi nga, pinagtatanong niyo siya. Meron pang pardinela, whatever. That is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. So ano yung pinagtatanong niyo sa kanya? This question never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, ba't nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon?
We are talking of the office that the person motion was introduced.
You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito. That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh. Eh, brati-bratinela pa? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Pang-labing 7 taong ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Di Castro, when the Vice President was Binay, when Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kaagad eh. Wala man lang...
We can read the records. No, he did not introduce it.
Nag-motion siya ngayon.
But it's...
Parliamentary muna. The first thing is that is the manifestation of Congressman Dante Marcoleta, and it should be answered by the members. If the motion, then after that, Marcoleta will vote that motion for your manifestation. Then after that,
Still man na tinatanong ko, bira naman na. Hindi na sasagot. The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
Without that the authority to speak.
Kalokohan naman yung pinagsasabi mo.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede salita? We are also members, just the same. Alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin, ang chairman ang sasagot.
No. Not only the chairman.
Nagsasalita lang yan.
Bakit? Hindi nagsalita na nga eh. Ayan ang auto record. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Di ba? Diba? Pwede ba yung Dante? Sa parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak. Pwede. Diba?
Started by way of manifestation. There is no rule about that.
You have to get the opinion of the members. Diba? You have to get the opinion of the members.
You get your members.
Yeah, of course. Let the members say their piece. Patapusin muna.
Hindi mo ba tayo nagsimula? Kasi simula lang natin
Dapat kung nagsimula tayo.
Madam Chair, petition lang. May motion si candidate. Magtanong ka kung may objection. Pero no object the deliberation. Para ma-deliberate. Yun. Let's follow the procedure. Parliamentary pag may objection, may deliberation tayo.
Hindi po yun eh. Tinatanong kasi, sagutin ninyo, if this community has the right to discard a welcome tradition, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition? That is the question that needs to be answered first and foremost.
Pwedeng pindutin yung mic.
Nagtatanong po ako na.
Incidental na ako. Ako rin nag-incidental na ako. Wala papasok sa mic natin.
To you, a long-standing, time-honored tradition. Ang tinatanong ko po, tradition po natin ito eh. Ang problema ay marami dito na yung point kaya hindi nila alam yung tradition. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long a time.
Follow the rules. You could have a motion introduced by a member. But it was an objection.
Bago po yung I was asking for an answer.
Yung answer niya based to your tradition.
Sabi ko mayroong tradisyon, pinapaliwanag ko na sa inyo. Ang tinatanong ko, question that why I'm asking, bakit natin ginawa yun earlier? Are we not already respecting a tradition well kept by the Hindi nga, pinagtatanong ni si Manila, whatever, that is disrespect to the office of the President, Vice President. Kung ano na pinagtatanong niya sa kanila. These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nakaraan, nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all, because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President, and that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong po ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Prati-pratinelo pa? Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Pagpaglabing 7 taon ko na po ito.
Alam nyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Nonini Castro, when the Vice President was Binay, when Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kagad eh. Wala man lang...
We can read the records. We did not give a
Saan na yung motion siya ngayon?
That is the manifestation of the Marcoleta, and it should be answered by the members. Motion, then after that, Marcoleta will not that motion. Hindi ba nga nasagot eh? Will we let this Marcoleta to speak? And then we will move on the motion. Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna
but have a member.
No. Or move a motion.
The rulings of the judge, all the parts of the procedure, so you have to answer the issue.
Sagutin muna.
Yes.
Then saka mag-move.
Rulings of the chair form parts of the rules. Because
Mr. Chair, parliamentary inquiry.
What is the parliamentary inquiry of the
I would
Honorable
like to
Abante?
ask the Honorable Marcoleta, is he rebuking this committee?
What is the question, Mr. Chair?
Are you rebuking this committee?
Why am I supposed to rebuke the committee? I am
You
not.
have been saying things for a while.
What?
You have been rebuking this committee.
You are saying that.
We're not blaming the Vice President on this.
I
Honorable Marcoleta, we are not blaming
the right to
the
suspend.
Vice President.
One minute to suspend.
Move to suspend.